Ramana Maharshi's words are deep and direct. My comments are intended to bring his deep words into your experience. Use YouTube's closed captions to read along.
This week I continue with Ramana Maharshi's text, Upadesa Saram, or The Essence of Instruction. I'll cover verses 16 through 22, in which Ramana deals with Jnana Yoga, or self-knowledge, leading to realization. I'm using Professor Swaminathan's translation. Now to Ramana's words. Verse 16. It is true wisdom for the mind to turn away from outer objects and behold its own effulgent form. Normally, the mind is aware of objects, external objects like a thing, or internal objects like a thought or sensation. This is consciousness of an object. There is an alternate way to use consciousness, which is consciousness without an object. Consciousness of consciousness, awareness of awareness. In consciousness of an object, the object is always illuminated by something else. With consciousness without an object, there is no external light. All the illumination, all the knowing shines from this consciousness itself. That's why it's called self-effulgent. It shines with its own light. What is the source of this light? Why? It is you. You are the light. The next verse, verse 17. When unceasingly the mind scans its own form, there is nothing of the kind. For everyone, this direct path is open. Buddhists talk about emptiness. This is what you find when you scan your own form, your own being, existence. There is no form, only awareness. Every time you inquire, you use this awareness. When inquiry is deep, you see this awareness itself. Everyone has this awareness. Everyone is this awareness. Knowing this for yourself, about yourself, is liberation. Now the next verse, verse 18. Thoughts alone make up the mind, and of all thoughts, the I thought is the root. What is called mind is but the notion I.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this Ramana Maharshi video, subscribe, like, and send me a comment.